First of all, I'd like to thank Westminster Kingsway College and head of school, Mr. Paul Jervis, and Professor Chang for organizing this wonderful event. I'm so glad what I am seeing here is the proof that the Korean cuisine has gone global. And you guys are the proof. By including Korean cuisine in your menu, you will be expanding your skill set, and then a lot of people in UK and around the world will have the opportunity to enjoy Korean food. Once again, I'd like to congratulate everybody for making it to the finals. And I have a feeling that I will see you guys in the Culinary Class War Season 2. Congratulations, thank you.
My name's Joe Margaritis. I came third place in the Korean competition, and I made a Korean ramen with different vegetables, steamed chicken thigh, Korean chicken turnovers, pickled mouli, and gochujang mayonnaise. I really enjoyed the competition. I learned lots about Korean food, and yeah, I really enjoyed doing it.
I'm Oscar Snip. I got placed second place, and I did a Korean-styled Milanese with a gochujang mayonnaise, a honey and soy sauce glaze with a Korean salad with pickled radishes. I'm very, very thankful for me to have an opportunity to do this competition because it made me show my skill and my ability to make a basic and very classical brasserie dish, but then turn it into a Korean style, which is incredible. And I'm really, really thankful that I could use some of the incredible products, as in gochujang, because we're using this as a competition to really solo it and make sure that that is with the many of my dishes. It helped me with my creativity and really helped me inspire myself to go the extra step. And it's really taught me how to make many, many things from it that can make a dish turn from something that's a bit plain to something absolutely incredible. And I'm really, really thankful that I started this competition, and I'm very happy for where I am.
Hi, I'm Ashley Clifford, and today I came first in the career competition. I made a doenjang cod, a lemongrass beurre blanc decorated with marigold flowers, and I did a drink pairing of a Korean citron tea white wine spritzer with mint. The competition's been really good, and it's been interesting to learn about Korean food and cuisine. I've taken a lot from it, as well as working with quality ingredients that we've been given today, and yeah, I'm very glad to win.